Hi, I'm Alex, your new AI tutor. I'm here to help you learn and succeed. What is AI? AI is like a smart brain for your apps. Chatting, drawing, thinking.
Use AI to make voiceovers, art, and scripts, and sell them. Try these: ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs, Runway. Game changers.
What if I told you this video was made without a camera, mic, or actors? Yep, all AI. And you can do it too.
Next, turn your script into a voice using tools like ElevenLabs or TTS Maker. No mic needed.
Now upload your script or voice to an AI video tool like Pictory, HeyGen, or InVideo. It adds stock clips, animations, and subtitles, all done for you.
Bye for now, catch you soon, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Expect more from me.